that, fresh out of Poppy's kitchen, breakfast with a twist. It was delicious. A great pull-apart breakfast for something different. Who wants eggs and toast every day of their life?
Not me.
Sometime Kevin, Poppy's Kitchen, checking out. Check you guys later.
Hey guys, if you like this type of content and you want some more great recipes, check out my website right here. And one pro tip on this last recipe, use parchment paper so that pinwheel will slide right off and not stick. See ya.